Here we go, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Jump right in. 5 AI infrastructure bottlenecks that could create the next 10x stocks. Let's jump right in. Wall Street is watching these closely. Most investors think the AI boom is about chatbots and software, but the real opportunity may be with the bottlenecks that they're causing. The critical infrastructure shortages slowing down the entire AI industry. Whenever a technology boom hits a constraint, the companies solving that constraint often become the biggest winners, the picks and the shovels. Okay. And let's get into it. Here are the 5 infrastructure bottlenecks Wall Street is watching closely. Number one is AI power supply. You've heard about that, no power, we can't plug in, what are we going to do? Electricity is becoming the number one constraint on AI growth, okay? Major beneficiaries include Constellation, CEG, NextEra Energy, NEE, Vistra, VST. If electricity demand surges, which it will, power producers and grid companies could see decades of growth. Okay. Next, you got all that power coming in, you got to cool it off. AI cooling systems, AI GPUs generate obviously enormous heat. Advanced cooling technologies are becoming critical for the hyperscale data centers, GPU clusters, AI supercomputers. The big players here, Snyder and then VRT. Cooling is one of the fastest growing segments of all AI infrastructure. Okay, high speed AI networking. Okay, training clusters require thousands of GPUs communicating instantly. This requires ultra fast networking hardware. Okay, ANET and believe it or not, Broadcom are the two, top ones there helping with that bottleneck. Networking bandwidth is becoming a critical scaling limit for AI models. And then you wouldn't think about it, but advanced AI chip packaging. Okay, AI chips are now so powerful they require advanced packaging techniques. Okay, chiplets, 3D stacking, advanced substrates. Important companies, that are already kind of in the game, Taiwan Semiconductor and AMKR, chip packaging may become one of the biggest semiconductor bottlenecks. And then you got to move that data, fiber optic data movement. AI data centers move enormous amount of data. Fiber optics allow ultra fast communication between servers, and light and COHR are the two, key companies in that era. And then AI boom could create an optical networking super cycle. And the big takeaway, the big pattern, every major technology boom follows the same pattern. A new tech merges, infrastructure bottlenecks appear, companies solving those bottlenecks explode in value. That's exactly what happened during the internet boom, smartphone revolution, putting up the antennas and everything, for example. And then, people open up their mom and pop stations for people to, to get the phones and get set up. Now it's happening again, but with AI infrastructure. Key takeaway, the biggest AI winners may not be companies building the chat box, okay? They may be companies solving the physical bottlenecks of the AI economy. But guys, hope you got something out of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back on the charts.